Hello there, this is Philip Ka4KOE, and believe it or not, I managed to get some actual work done on my transmitter. That's not trash, that's pine straw. That's something my wife wants to put down when it warms up a bit. And as you can see, we've got a nice little mess here. Trimmed up one of my coaxes, and there's my Syncor space heater, although it's warmed up a bit. Let's turn on the light. And I just put this in. I did mount it on top of this cover. I will have a separate bonding jumper to the chassis. I didn't want to drill any more holes in the faceplate than I have to. I've already got a couple that I'm going to have to fix. I'm particular about these things. This coil here and cap, this coil here and the cap back here, those are going to be reworked. The coils are going away. This was part of the trying to adapt the oscillator that's in the transmitter to the HF bands. And as I have found out, it's more trouble than it's worth. So I was going through some of the documentation I had. Here's some insulators that a friend sent me, my mentor. Here's a big 25-watt pot for adjusting the grid bias. Here's the original Bauer maintenance manual from the from the station. There's the assembly instructions. There's my chicken scratch on my uber neat cool clipboard that Eric gave me, my brother, KK4TVR. And here's my own clean copy of the manual from files I've made. So anyway, that's the deal here. And as you can see, it's actually kind of cool out here. I'm liking this cold weather. As you can see, we can have the casters of this 800-pound beast. We can actually move it. Cool. How about that? So anyway, that's it for today. I think I've got to start cleaning up for my bride. And this is the outside world. It does exist, folks. So, get outside every once in a while. So this is my ridge line. We're just going to show you the whole thing today. My little Tar Heel 2 with a 6-foot whip. And that's who I am. I need to put my February sticker on. I've got it in the glove box. Just haven't thought about it. Got to get that done before I get stopped by the police, as we say down here. And so, so I had this place cleaned up, and then of course all the leaves had to come in here, and that's life, man. That's married life. Y'all have a blessed day. Hope y'all enjoyed the rally. Take care. Oh, that's a hot glue gun right there. I'm not going to tell you how I use that. Bye.